Hawkeye, Holler Nation, stand up and welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Welcome to a new track setup. We kind of got the, I don't know what we really want to call this, a tabletop setup. I don't know. This is one of the creations from the Hot Wheels race crate. I turned it in and put it into a tabletop thing, plateau thing. So today we're gonna see how well this turns out. The practice runs, we've seen a lot of crashes. As you guys can see, they kind of been nicking it up just a wee bit. So expect that grandstand cam to get some pretty amazing footage. 16 trucks have rolled into the hauler. I'm excited to see who's gonna take this. This is one and done racing, so you better be on your best game. As always, if you guys are new here and into monster truck diecast racing, this is the home for you. Consider subscribing and ringing that bell. Becoming part of the Hawkeye Holler Nation today. Like I said, it's your home for monster truck diecast racing because we have fun playing with the big boys here. Guys, huge thank you to my YouTube Picker members. Thank you guys so much for the continued support here on the channel. You guys truly are amazing. I appreciate the donations every single month. It truly means a lot to me. If you would like to become a Patreon member, sorry, a YouTube member, you can find those YouTube membership links down below. They are $2.99 a month. And of course, Arvin, my main man, my dude, I appreciate you for rocking Patreon and the YouTube memberships. If you'd like to become a Patreon member as well, $3 a month. Those links are down below. But anywho, that is enough jibber jabbering. You guys are here for diecast racing. I'm here for diecast racing. So let's go ahead and get into it. Like I said, one and done. So who's it gonna be? Up first, you got the Psychedelic Town Hauler, and they are going to be taking on Zombie Mega Rex. Oh boy, here we go. Now these trucks are going to be hauling the mail right down the middle of Main Street, USA. Here we go. Whoa! No, man, Town Hauler got a double bump there on the jump. Well, is this a jump? Let me know in the comments down below if this is a jump. I think it kind of is. But Town Hauler got the double bump and, well, crashed. Mega Rex did get the victory. They are advancing. All right, coming up next, you got Dairy Delivery. This is from the Paint Crush line, one of my favorite series from the Hot Wheels Monster Trucks, and Demo Derby. All right, who could possibly be meeting Mega Rex, sorry, Zombie Rex, in the next round? Let's boogity on out of here. Oh, man! Hey, man! Crashing to the finish was Demo Derby. I tell you what, these trucks get some air and they do that double bounce and they do not land very well after that second bounce and it causes them to crash. Dairy Delivery is advancing. All right, coming up next, you got the mighty Pier Muscle. This is the Demo Derby version and they're taking on Bigfoot with the Bigfoot lettering. All right, let's do it. All right, battle of the old school pick-em-up trucks. Who's it gonna be? Let's go. Good race. Good race. Great race between these two OBSs, and Pier Muscle is able to get it done. That was a nice clean landing from both. That's how it's supposed to go down. Bigfoot, you're going home, buddy. All right, coming up next, we haven't seen the Mercedes-Benz Unimog in a while. Well, they're back today, and they're taking on Gunkster. I would consider the Unimog a heavyweight, and Gunkster not really that heavy, so here we go. Oh, man!
Oh, man!
Oh, I think Gunkster could have had something from the Unimog, but he bicycled it and then eventually tipped over. The Unimog is going to the next round. And coming up next, you got Bionic Bruiser taking on the black and red Volkswagen Beetle. All right, we haven't seen Bionic Bruiser in a bit either, especially this pink one. Here we go. Oh man, big crash for the bug.
Oh man, big crash for the bug.
Oh man, once it started rolling, it couldn't stop. The bug is down. Bionic Bruiser is moving on. And coming up next, you got the mighty Steer Clear taking on SpongeBob. All right, here we go. Both of these trucks are heavyweights. I'm excited to see who's going to get it done. Let's go. Oh, double DNF.
Oh, double DNF!
Oh, holy smokes, that came close. Did we have any fatalities? No, but it came close. And SpongeBob's over there. All right, we're going to re-rack them and do it again. All right, we're re-racked. Lanes are switched. Here we go. Oh!
Hey!
Oh, and SpongeBob's into the grandstands. He didn't really get into him. He just bumped him with that rear spoiler he has. But Steer Clear did trigger the gate. Steer Clear is advancing. All right, here we go. The fan favorite's back. TRex is ready to take on Recreational. All right, can the TRex get it done? TRex has yet to win a championship. Let's go. Man!
mayhem.
Oh man, that came close to the edge. Living on the edge. But the T-Rex with a flawless run. That was probably one of the cleanest runs we have seen today. T-Rex is moving on. And lastly, for this round of 16, you got the Volkswagen drag bus, and they're taking on Tiger Shark or Shark Reek. Tiger Shark Reek. It's one of the two. You guys can let me know in the comments down below. Alright, the Volkswagen is definitely a heavyweight, but can he get the victory? Let's go. Oh my gosh, what happened? Oh, look at Tiger Shark!
Oh my gosh, what happened? Look at Tiger Shark!
After further evaluation, the Volkswagen drag bus clipped something along these rails right here, projectiled him into the air, or pole vaulted him into the air. That's what I'm trying to get out of my mouth. And he collided with Shark Reek, or Tiger Shark, whichever one. And it was just a huge crash from there. Afterwards, we're going to have amazing footage from that grandstand cam. I'm sure that got every single bit of action and the slow-mo cam. But man, Shark Reek was able to recover and get the victory. Dang. Alright, 8 trucks have gone home. Don't mind all those trucks. Those are trucks I still haven't put away yet because I have no more room for monster trucks. That's a problem. But now we are moving on to the round of 8. Zombie Rex, Dairy Delivery, Pier Muscle, the Unimog, Bionic, Bruiser, Steer Clear, T-Rex, and Shark Reek are all advancing. Who's moving on to the round of 4? And of course, kicking off the round of 8, you got Zombie Rex taking on Dairy Delivery. Alright, 2 of the strongest castings ever to grace the Hawkeye Hauler studio. Here we go. Oh my gosh, again we got a crash.
Oh my gosh.
The same thing just happened to these 2 contestants as what happened to the Volkswagen drag bus. They clipped something there in the front end and it just triggered a massive crash. We will re-rack them and do it again. I did check the track, we're fine, but these trucks do get to weebling and wobbling, and sometimes their tires do not line up with, the rails. And that's one of the joyous things about monster truck diecast racing, because at least with the Hot Wheel, they stay mostly in a straight line, but these big boys, they sometimes like to change lanes. And well, when they try to do that, this happens. Right now, we are re-racked and ready to go again. Hawkeye Hauler Nation, if you're having fun with this video, do me a solid, smash that like button down below. Here we go. Oh, tumbling to the finish.
Oh, tumbling in the finish.
Holy moly, we got Matt and Jeff Hardy doing some swantons off of that final ramp. Man, oh man, both flipping and both crashing to the finish. Dairy Delivery does get the win. They are advancing. All right, up next on the round of 8, you got Pier Muscle taking on the Mercedes-Benz Unimog. All right, both of these trucks are strong, but which one's gonna be the strongest to get to the finish line first? Here we go. Ah, Pier Muscle.
Muscle.
Okay, I thought Dairy Delivery was a bully, but I think Pier Muscle just stepped it up. He did a lane change, completely bodied the Mercedes-Benz Unimog, knocked him off the track, and he sails on to a victory. Wow, I love dirty racing. Man, this is like Kyle Larson and Chase Elliott all over again. All right, we got 2 trucks advanced to the round of 4. Who's going to be next? Bionic, Bruiser, or Steer Clear? All right, here we go. Let's get ready to drop those gates. Let's go. Oh, man!
Oh, man!
Tell you what, the more these trucks race, the more their axles get weeble and wobbling. Man, they need to learn to keep it straight. Steer Clear does touch the finish line and does trigger the gate. Steer Clear is advancing. But man, oh man, that could have been something huge right there. And one final showdown for this round of 8. You got the TRex taking on Reek. All right, here we go. TRex and Reek. Let's do it. TRex. Oh, it looks like Reek stalled right up there on the top, and TRex is advancing. All right, I want to walk you guys through this real quick. So, if these trucks can keep it straight, they can make it just fine. But if, let's say, we get county corner just like that, they will hit right. So you can hear that. And then that will send them up into the air and go boom, 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 boom. Another 4 trucks have gone home. That means 4 trucks remain. The final 4 are set. Who's moving on to the championship round? Dairy Delivery, Pier Muscle, Steer Clear, or the TRex? All right, up first for this round of 4, it's going to be Dairy Delivery taking on Pier Muscle, 2 dirty drivers. But who's it going to be? All right, these 2 are chomping at the bit to get at one another. Here we go. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh!
I tell you what, if Dairy Delivery could have stuck that landing, that would have been one hell of a drag race to the finish. But no, he tumbles. Pier Muscle advances to the championship round. Who will be joining Pier Muscle in the championship round? Will it be Steer Clear or the TRex? Steer Clear has had a rough run this tournament, but he's advanced to the round of 4. TRex has been completely flawless. Let's go. Oh, and Steer Clear.
Oh, Steer Clear.
Now that was a nice clean run from both trucks. I think the TRex thought Steer Clear would run into trouble again. I think he babied it just a little bit, but little did he know Steer Clear had an amazingly smooth run. And well, he's moving on to the championship round. All right, Hawkeye Hauler Nation, the championship round is set. Pier Muscle taking on Steer Clear. This is a best of 3. First truck to win 2. Say it with me. Who's it gonna be? While Pier Muscle has bullied his way to the championship round, Steer Clear has slept his way to it. Here we go. Oh, double DNF.
Oh, double DNF.
Again, Pier Muscle tried to do a lane change mid-race, and well, it impacted both trucks. Neither one finished. Let's switch lanes and do it again. All right, that double DNF led us to a lane change, and here we go. Again, man, these two are really after one another.
Again.
All right, we got to re-rack them and do it yet again after a second double DNF. These two trucks have completely blown their first 2 races. That means whoever wins this race will be declared the winner. Here we go. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh!
Pier Muscle into the grandstand cam. Holy moly. Steer Clear crosses the line. They are declared the winner. Holy smokes. Absolute carnage here at the hauler. Pier Muscle still upside down against the grandstand cam. He gave it his all. But right now, Steer Clear is in victory lane. Holy moly. This isn't the first time we've seen him there. Don't forget. I mean, I hope you guys didn't forget we did a running of the Bolt, and this Steer Clear won. Yeah, steer clear is your victor. All right, let's wrap up today's video. I had a lot of fun. All right, Hawkeye Hauler Nation, that does it here from the tabletop. Oh man, I don't really know what I'm gonna call this yet, but it'll be in the title and the thumbnail. Had a lot of fun with it. I hope you guys did as well. If you did, drop a like down below, drop a comment. Let me know what you think of this setup, because this will more than likely be a race when we get to our seasons and events starting in October. Don't forget, this Sunday we are doing a live stream. Be sure to tune in. Oh man, I'm excited for that. I think it's just gonna be straight up drag racing for the live stream down here in the hauler. I think so. We're gonna get 16 more trucks and we're gonna have a good old time. So be sure to tune in this Sunday at 1 p.m. Central Time. So I don't really know what that is in your time, but it's 1 p.m. Central Time. So Google will help you guys with that. If you guys like to help support the channel and keep the show on the road, you guys find my YouTube memberships, Patreon, and official merch store all linked down below. Go follow your boy over on Instagram. Go join the official Hawkeye Hauler Discord. And with that being said, thank you guys so very much for watching. I greatly appreciate you. And I'll see you guys next time here at the Hauler. Peace, love, and Hot Wheels. Bye-bye.